Hey guys, it's Julia here, and I am back with another video. So today's date is June 15th, 2022, and I don't know if you guys kept up with the news. I'm sure you guys have because it's pretty much everywhere, but Internet Explorer has ended support today. Now this is a big deal because Internet Explorer is 26 years old. So I went to the article and this talks about how the browser died and stuff like that. I'll leave a link in the description if you do want to read this, but Microsoft did announce their death in June 2021, saying that Edge was faster, more secure, compatible with early internet websites. And really, I didn't have good experience with Edge when Edge first came out. It was honestly pretty unstable for me because it was HTML based. I will say though, the Chromium Edge is a lot better than the HTML version, so I will give Microsoft credit for that. Edge isn't that bad of a browser. I'll open it up for you guys. So this is Microsoft Edge. I have not opened it on my laptop, I guess, because it's having me set it up, which is kind of weird. I guess because I don't use Edge. I forgot to uncheck that. Oh well. Well, this is what Edge looks like, but this video isn't really about Edge. Dark theme, I can select any of these, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't know why my mouse is lagging, but I'll just keep it as dark. But this video is not about Edge. This video is about Internet Explorer, and I have a special plan for this video. This will go out a bit late because obviously I've had a lot going on, so I haven't been able to get it out, and I have to edit this too. But basically, yeah, I have this Windows 7 VM, and in this VM we're going to show Internet Explorer 8, and then I'm going to upgrade it to Internet Explorer 11, and we're going to see it. I'm also going to open Internet Explorer on my laptop as well, which the reason why I'm recording this on my laptop was I wasn't in my office earlier, and I'd already made the VM on my laptop, so I just thought I'd use my laptop with the capture card because, you know, I already have it ready to go. So pretty much, we're going to actually open, well, that's on the VM. We're going to open Internet Explorer on this. You can see Edge says Microsoft recommended browser, and if you search Internet Explorer, it actually pops up Edge first, and that's, you know, that's pretty interesting. But let's open Internet Explorer. Oh my goodness, I've never opened it before, so it's like, okay, use recommended settings, and now it's going to Microsoft, where it wants you to download Edge, which it's funny because I already have Edge. Oh wow, download for Windows Server, that's a special download? I didn't know that. Well, this is Internet Explorer. I don't know why I went to Internet Options. I mean, we'll look at that, but let's open the About. So this is the About Internet Explorer in Windows 10 that you're going to receive. So this is probably going to get uninstalled in an update. We're actually going to check for updates and see if we get the Internet Explorer removal update, because I have a feeling that's a thing. So yeah, basically this is what Internet Explorer looks like, and it's really interesting how I actually grew up with this browser, which I'm going to give you guys some backstory. I know this video might be a bit long, but you know, it's a pretty big deal, and I wanted to show it, look back at it, talk about it, and do a few things in the video. But this is IE. I'm actually going to leave it open. We're going to take a look at IE8. So this is IE8 because this is Windows 7, and this doesn't have any updates, so pretty much, yeah, except I did have to install an update to fix the SHA-1 expiring because I couldn't get VMware Tools to install. Yeah, welcome to Internet Explorer 8. Internet Explorer 8 helps you keep the internet even faster than before. New features like search suggestions, retrieve information as you type, and accelerators let you preview online services just by pointing your mouse at them. And learn about new features, read about the statement. Let's actually go through this. I always skip this, but in this video we're not going to skip it. Do you want to discover websites? Sure. I don't care. Express settings, custom settings, Bing, and all this stuff. You know, let's just go with the defaults. Oh, it tries to load a web page that doesn't load. It's probably, I don't even know what this web page goes to, but it doesn't load, or maybe it just doesn't load because it's Internet Explorer 8. Let's actually go to the About. So Internet Explorer 8, version 8.0. This is for you know, Windows 7. So this is really interesting. It's not, you know, that much different from 11 in a way, like as far as the internet options. Where is that? Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to add the menu bar for that. So tools, internet options. This pretty much looks the same as the one in IE11. It doesn't really look much different. Yeah, the security, the privacy, all this stuff. Remember when you had to go and disable the pop-up blocker on some websites back then? Yeah, those good old days, I remember that. So, all these other things in here. And we're going to upgrade this to IE11. I'm going to show you guys the process of upgrading Internet Explorer from IE8 to IE11. So, I have this folder full of all the updates required for Internet Explorer 11, so that way you don't have to like go and, you know, run Windows updates and stuff. I can just install all of these updates. So we're going to do a time lapse of me installing them because I don't want this video to be longer than it already is. Alright guys, so for some reason this update didn't install. I'm not sure why, but these other updates did, so we should be able to get Internet Explorer 11. So let's run through the installer and install Internet Explorer 11. I don't know how long this is going to take, but we're going to upgrade Internet Explorer in this video because I'm sure this isn't something you see every day. Because, you know, how often are you gonna go get Internet Explorer 11? Okay, it's not even open, but sure. It might be talking about explore.exe itself, meaning that it might actually, yep, it's gone. So it closes explore.exe to install Internet Explorer 11. I don't remember that. Well, I guess we learn something new every day, or just something I forgot. Well, while this installs, I'm going to talk about my experiences with Internet Explorer. So, I pretty much, you know, used it ever since I used a computer. I know I used, like, Windows XP back then in my younger days, and that was pretty much what I used, and I always used Internet Explorer because I don't think we really used other browsers back then, believe it or not. And pretty much I would use it to watch videos a lot on YouTube because I got really interested in YouTube. You know, I was watching videos, watching computer stuff, and it really fascinated me, which then got me to start this channel. And after I did... Oh, is it done? Yeah, it's done! I didn't expect it to install that fast. Okay, cool. So we already have Internet Explorer 11. We didn't even have to restart. You know, I think the reason it usually requires a reboot is because of those other updates, but I had installed them all beforehand, which saved some time. So, we're able to actually look at this now. And again, the internet options is probably the same. I'm not going to make this video super long. I kind of just wanted to, you know, give you guys the news if you haven't heard it, show it a bit, and talk about my experiences for the most part. Oh, now that it's telling us to download Edge, I'm not surprised. The favorites, I remember this, you know. I used to always bookmark YouTube videos to this to come back to, back on our Windows XP computer. And then I remember one day my brother or sister deleted the favorites and I got really mad. So I made a folder on the desktop in all caps called Do Not Delete, because they kept deleting them and I was getting mad. I actually don't know why they did that, but I made a folder called Do Not Delete and no one deleted it, although I think it's gone because the computer crashed and stuff like that and got reset. But if I had it, that would have been so fun to look back at, but unfortunately I don't have that anymore. But pretty much I would always use IE to watch videos. I grew up using it. I did have a few computers that did have Firefox installed, like, you know, my grandma's old computer, which I showed in the looking back video, and we would use that too. But on our home computer, we pretty much just had Internet Explorer. And I'm pretty sure on my first laptop that had Windows 7, I mainly used IE. I think I did have other browsers, but I don't know why. I just grew up with IE. I'm like, it's already built in. I just stuck with it, even though other browsers were much better than Internet Explorer. But, you know, I just stuck with it because it worked for me. But the fun fact for you guys, I switched to a different browser in the summer of 2015. Yes. I switched not to Edge, because I actually switched in April of 2015. I switched to Google Chrome. And the reason is because I think someone recommended I switch browsers because IE was just not very good anymore. It wasn't as secure anymore. It couldn't do extensions and stuff like that. And I didn't really use extensions back then at all, so it didn't matter to me. But someone convinced me to switch to a different browser. I can't remember who it was, but thanks to whoever that was, because I switched browsers after that, and I used Chrome ever since. So that's pretty much my story about Internet Explorer. You know, I did have to use it on the school computers as well back then, because our school used IE. I mean, I believe they did have Chrome and Firefox. Actually, I don't think they had Firefox, because my school didn't like Firefox for some reason. But they had Chrome, I believe, but I didn't use it. Like, everyone else used Chrome, but I was the weird one that was using Internet Explorer in my school, which I don't even understand why I used it so long. But this does have memories, a lot of memories, because I would always use this browser back then, and it was great for what I did. But nowadays, I would highly not recommend using it, especially because it's end of support now, and it's just not a recommended thing to use. I think I already opened the About, but it's Internet Explorer 11 now. So I don't know if this probably isn't the latest version or latest update for it, because I have not updated Windows 7 on this at all, really, except for installing the update to, you know, the update to get SHA-2 support, and also all the Internet Explorer updates, because I was having issues with VMware. So yeah, this says 2013 Microsoft Corporation, so I assume this is not up to date. But remember when Adobe Flash Player lost support? You know, I actually didn't make a video on that. I really should have, because I have memories with that too, with Flash games. But they released an update to remove Flash Player. I'm honestly curious to see if they released an update to remove Internet Explorer. And I bet if they did, it's just going to redirect to Edge. I know it does that in Windows 11 21H2. But Internet Explorer on Windows 10 just looks weird. Now, back then when I did get off Internet Explorer, I was using Windows 7 at the time, because I had sold my Toshiba laptop because it was having problems, and I went to the DV6, which that computer also had issues, and then I switched to my HP Envy, and then the desktop I have now. But I do have a laptop still for, you know, my room and stuff, and yeah. And we'll open with Microsoft Edge. That's an option. Even though, oh yeah, actually Edge is installed, because this is on my main laptop. So we're gonna see though if this. Actually, let's see how like some websites look. So, oh yeah, we recommend you switch to Edge. I knew that. Let's go to Google. It opens Edge. Oh, okay. This website doesn't work in Internet Explorer, and it's saying support ended. Wait, did I already get the update for it? You know, I could have already gotten the update, because here's the thing, I updated the updates that got released yesterday for Windows, because yesterday was Patch Tuesday. I installed those updates on my laptop, and maybe that update contained something, because I tried to go to google.com and it just redirected me to this. I don't know if any other websites do that. Like, I'm not sure if any other websites do that or not. MSN doesn't, so I know that this is a horrible website now, but Yahoo. Oh, Yahoo still goes in Internet Explorer. So just Google, it seems like, and maybe some other websites, but we're going to close Internet Explorer, and we're going to see if there's another update to remove Internet Explorer. I feel like they're going to do that. And this is Edge, by the way. So if I go to About Microsoft Edge, this is the latest version of Edge as of today, which is the day that Internet Explorer has lost support. It's not opening the thing for some reason, probably because of RetroBar, because I wanted to add this because, you know, Windows XP days, Internet Explorer was used a lot. So I wanted to have that old feel, which is why I installed RetroBar before I recorded the video. But we're going to check for updates, and let's see if there's an IE removal update. I don't know if there is or not. We're going to find out. If there is, that's going to be really sad. It's just a Defender update. So I guess there isn't an IE removal update, or maybe not yet. But I don't see one. Although, we're going to check my Surface that's on Windows 11, and we're going to see if it has an IE removal update. I'm pretty sure in Windows 11, if you search Internet Explorer, it just opens Edge. Yeah, this is just a firmware update. We'll check again just to see. Alright, so we're up to date apparently, so let's try and open Internet Explorer on it. Again, it tries to open Edge. I don't even see Internet Explorer. It's like gone already. Maybe the update, because I did update this as well, maybe the update removed it. The update might have removed it because I don't even see it. You know, there's a chance that they actually got rid of it entirely. And, although, let's actually try this, because I bet it's going to open Edge. I was correct. It opens Edge. Okay, so Internet Explorer is already removed in Windows 11, it seems. I don't know if this latest update I installed did it, or if it's been gone. I know it was gone in 22H2, but it looks like we have a Windows Security Platform update, although that could just be Defender. They might have renamed it in Windows 11. But let's check for updates again. And we're getting an update for Defender, so it could have been that other update. I'm not entirely sure, but it seems like Internet Explorer is gone. And if we go to our update history, we can see in here that it's not here. At least, I don't see an Internet Explorer removal update. So, it could have been in the cumulative update, or maybe it's just been a thing. I don't know. I don't really use Windows 11 much. This is like the only device I have on Windows 11. I also do have my ThinkPad that's on Windows 11 22H2, and I know for a fact it's going to be gone on that, but they probably pushed out an update to the version I'm on right now, which removed it. So this is the version I'm currently on right now, and they probably removed it in the latest dot number update. Anyways, that is my experiences with Internet Explorer 11 and stuff. This video I know is long, but I wanted to show things, talk about my experiences. Also, I will have more videos coming up. I did decide to delay the video on the EEE PC for the weekend because I think that'd be a better time to upload it. And YouTube was having comment issues yesterday, so I decided not to upload it yesterday. So I'll do that over the weekend. It's really sad that Internet Explorer is dead, but at the same time, it needed to happen because, honestly, Internet Explorer was just out of date, not as secure, missing a lot of features, and honestly, Edge is not that bad of a browser in my opinion. I think it's a lot better than Internet Explorer, although Internet Explorer will always be remembered because of all the memories I had with it. And back then, you know, other browsers weren't as common. I mean, they were a bit, but nowadays, like, everyone uses Chrome or Firefox or Edge. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to say your experiences in the comments, feel free to leave your experiences down below. But that'll do it for this video. Have a great day.